ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ನೀರು ಜಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕುತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸಾಗರ ಸೇರೋ ಆಸೆಯ ಕೋರಿ ಗಾಳಿಯಂತೆ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಲಿದೆ. ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ನೀರು ಜಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕುತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸಾಗರ ಸೇರೋ ಆಸೆಯ ಕೋರಿ ಗಾಳಿಯಂತೆ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಲಿದೆ. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮಂಜು ಮರೆಯಾಗಿ ಓಡಿ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮಂಜು ಮರೆಯಾಗಿ ಓಡಿ, ಎಲೆಯ ಮರೆಯ ಸೇರಿ ನಲಿವ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಹಾರಿದೆ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳಕು ಮೂಡುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಂಗಾರದ ನಡುವೇರುತ್ತಾ ಆಕಾಶದಿ ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇಕ್ಕ ಸುತ್ತ ಮುತ್ತ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದ ಕಾಂತಿಯ ರವಿ ಕಾಂತಿಯ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
This is the story of the rubber band, ladies and gentlemen. We are for the people, we play for the masses, for everybody. I want each one of you to take back a memory, be it Aramale, be it the two voices of PD, be it this fantastic Rajkumar one. Awesome, be it Parishan, great stuff. So we move on, we leave you with more memories. I'm going to bring you a little more rock flavor. We've got few more numbers left for the evening. We're going to touch upon rock, we're going to touch upon a lot more pace. Get ready to dance, we're going to make this even more exciting. How's it going?
It's really going great, but in the great moment where we all are having great fun, I really don't want to forget, all this is for a cause. Please join your hands along with us, wherein we can do something for the people who are in need of us, wherein we can bring a smile on their face, wherein we can have some light shine in their life with us.
We have a box that we've kept here. This is for C, concert for cause. If you think you can contribute something, see the gentleman contributing. If you think you can contribute something, please do drop in your contribution. Every rupee that you give will help a larger cause, will bring smiles to a lot more faces. So I request you, I'll leave you with Sushant on stage to do honors for this typical rock one. Sit back and enjoy this one.
Wow, a big